So I just want to thank Nelda again for offering to bring us back here.
Thank you.
Yay!
It's a huge opportunity just to see archaeology in action, as they say, especially at a place like Chichen Itza, where archaeology isn't necessarily, at the forefront of people's awareness of the site. Scientific study of this place. So I know virtually nothing about this part of the site except for a couple of buildings that have inscriptions, but that's why you're here, to tell us what's really happening.
I will try. I am studying, I'm a grad student in UC Riverside. I am Mexican. I studied all my life here in Mexico, and then I moved to the States after one of my professors gave me the opportunity to join to grad school. So for me, the States is kind of like a new world. I am improving my English, so please, if there is a word or something, I will ask for help for sure. And then, so we start excavations here like 3 months ago, pretty much. I am a bioarchaeologist. So I am formed as an archaeologist, but now I am trying to understand what's going on with burials and bones here in Chichen Itza. And it's a huge thing for me, but also I think for a lot of people, because I am trying to see what's going on with the migrations going on here, and how people were embodying the collapse like by themselves, like trying to understand a little bit about diet, trauma, and other funerary and mortuorial contexts that we have here in Chichen Itza, because it's really different than in other places, and because it's really different from the classic. So we start to see from the classic like changes going on, and here in Chichen Itza we start to see like a completely whole pattern about human remains, especially. Yeah. So we are going to go into this ark. This ark was restored by Peter Smith in the early 90s. And then we are moving around the site to see a little bit more what we are doing right now. The director of the project is Pepe Osorio, or Jose Osorio, and Pancho Perez. They are coming, but later, because today is like it's a day for groceries and administrative work.
That's what archaeology is really.
Yeah, so they are not here because of that. I know, for the full week, for we can live here. So yeah, they are doing that, and the other young archaeologists, there are 3 of them that are in charge of one of the mapping, that is where you see like all those clear structures. It's because someone is working over there. So they are mapping all that area, trying to understand more of the pattern. We have like a rough map from here until Monjas, but it's not really well developed because it was in the early 90s. So now with total stations, the LiDAR technology, we are trying to see what's going on there, how the people was really living here in Chichen, because we know a lot about the center. We don't know everything, but we know a lot about the center of the site. But we don't know what's going on with the people that were actually living in Chichen Itza. So that is why this project is so important, because this is an habitational complex, and it's kind of a palace group, but it's different from the classic palace groups from the other Maya areas. No, they are not original. No. Yeah, it was sold down when they found it, and then they restored it like the full thing.
Yes.
Same thing for there, or that would be a pole hanging?
Yeah, it's for water.
Materials, I guess.
Yeah, it's
A
strange.
dune.
Looking at the wood.
So this structure was totally reconstructed?
Yes.